Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today I prepared a recipe that will make you drool. I'm going to make a very popular street food in Korea, delicious homemade corn dogs. Who can resist the crispy outside and tender inside of an authentic corn dog? In this video, I will show you step by step how to make them in the comfort of your own home with simple ingredients, but with a vibrant flavor. Get ready to surprise your friends with a delicious and easy dish. Let's get started. Sausage dough recipe: wheat flour 100 grams, corn flour 150 grams, milk 1 cup, sugar 1 tablespoon with slice, 1 teaspoon baking powder, salt ½ teaspoon, 1 egg, sausages 10 to 12 pieces and sunflower oil for frying. We will need sausages, remove the foil from them and cut them in half. Put the sausages on skewers or sushi sticks. You can also use pieces of cheese, but I decided to use only sausages. Now we are ready to make the dough for the corn dogs. Sift 100 grams of wheat flour and 150 grams of corn flour, half a teaspoon of salt and a tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt. Mix all dry ingredients. Add 1 chicken egg and stir with a whisk. The corn flour makes the dough yellow. Pour in a glass of cold milk and mix well to a homogeneous consistency. The dough should have the consistency of thick sour cream. Before frying the sausages, you can dip them in breadcrumbs or in the batter. We dip the sausages in the batter and roll them in breadcrumbs, as my son likes. They are crispier at the expense of the breadcrumbs, but I like them without, so I will show you both options. To make it easier, pour the batter into a tall glass, so that it is much easier to cover the sausages with the batter, and fry them in very hot sunflower oil until golden brown. I used a shaker to fry them, but you can do it in a regular frying pan. Everything cooks very quickly and the corn dogs came out crispy. Thank you for watching this video and sharing this delicious moment with me. I hope my tips and recipes will be useful to you in the future. Remember that culinary art is not only a way to prepare food, but also a way to create comfort and joy around you. Subscribe to my channel for more inspiration and delicious ideas. See you soon, enjoy and good luck with your culinary experiments.